Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Color Rush Studio Design Team layout. So this is my second project using the April kit, and there's a full unboxing on the video or on my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and do these three photos of our Welcome to South Dakota signs. He pulled over, my husband's awesome, and he pulled over at all of them, and there's one of us at each sign, at the sign, and then together. This is some packaging or not packaging, it's the tissue paper that she wraps her kits in. This was from last month, I believe, so I'm going to use that, I think, to mat some photos. We've got these beautiful embroidered leaves and flowers, the frazzles and ribbons, which I love, right? So I got the palms, those are cute. Don't know what we're going to use. This was an a la carte that I purchased, so it is just fall, and that was fall. The bees in the little watering canister, that was from the umbrella. Some cute little carrots, a la carte, little corkboard fall shapes, and then also, I believe, a la carte, some more embroidered flowers. Title. And then we're going to use this paper here, this paper, and that paper. We're going to use all of these to create. So I'm thinking that we'll do like kind of a 3-cluster photo, right? So I'm going to trim them down, get them matted, and we're going to do some blocks. This is going to be my background, and then we're going to block with the rest of it. So let me go ahead and get those all trimmed up, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got this going on, okay? So I've got my wonky road trip fun. Now we're going to take, and I apologize, I've got the windows open. It's a beautiful day, and the neighbors are cutting their grass. So this says sweater weather, and it clearly was. It's a sticker. Cute. We're going to put the little hexy cork over here. And again, these are a la carte. You can pick this up in the store. You should definitely use my link down below. I'm just being careful. I'm going to put this one right there. I'm being careful because my nails are too long and I don't want to rip them. And then we're going to put this one right here, so then it's got our visual triangle for that. I did take this and just color it up. Clearly it was not wanting to go on there. And I just used Sharpies, nothing crazy getting those on there, right? Just to add the colors that would match. I'm going to put this right here. Okay. And then let's use the cute little carrots. Or at least one of them, right? So let's use that one there. I think I'm going to use all of them. They are so cute. I love the squishy little fabric pieces. Oh my lord, that was way too hard. I apologize. And then let's get this guy. We'll put him right over here. And I just use liquid glue. This is nothing special. I'm just pop those down and around. Because, you know, carrots can be fall. But this was like the cutest Easter collection of all time. And for me, today is Good Friday, so it's a holiday. Whoop, whoop. All right, we got those on there. And let's go ahead, and I think I'm going to use this one, and then I'm probably going to be done. So let's take out a white one and a pink one, because we've got that flower there. These are so adorable. And yeah, we're just gonna, so I am using a lot of glue, you guys, so that it sticks. And I was gonna use the palms, but I'm actually loving the way that this turned out. It is busy with the paper, but because I used all of my favorite papers, but there's so much more that you could use, you guys, and I cannot wait to make another layout with this. So don't forget to head to the store. It is www.colorrushstudio.com, and you can follow them on Instagram at colorrushstudio. So that being said, that's going to do it for our layout today. I love how this has turned out, and I don't want to keep going because then I feel like it's going to get too jumbly. But all of these fun little elements, some are a la carte, some come with the collection. So just check that out. Use my code down below. Give me a thumbs up. Do all the fun YouTube-y things. And I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.